upset in any situation. Always be up and set and see how your life will be settled automatically. Keep faith in Allah. Jumma mubarak. May Allah keep us away from the wrong things that will take us away from Him, and let us follow the good things that will take us closer to Him. May Allah gives us the strength to smile when we feel sad, to stay calm when we stressed, and to have faith in Allah when we feel lost. May Allah acknowledge all your dua in Jumma petition. May Allah grant us success in all the things we are striving hard to get. Go to Friday prayer, make lot of dua, read Surah Al-Kahf, send lot of blessings on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Almighty Allah grant you peace, stability, prosperity, goodness, love, kindness, and peace of mind. Jumma mubarak. May Allah bless you with endless happiness, fulfill all your dreams, and respond to all your duas. Ameen. Jumma mubarak. Alhamdulillah for everything that Allah has blessed us with. If you liked my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.